towards the first base side and delivers a 1-1. And that's a grounder by Dominguez up the middle and through in a right center field for a base hit. Past Jordan to the right of him at second, and that's a 1-out single and the first hit of the game. First base runner of the game for Somerset. Has singled in the first and walked in the third. Well, Robbins, the brains behind the whole operation.
Oh, big time.
0-1 is lifted into left field, pretty deep. Palmer back, hitting the track, nearing the wall, and this ball is gone. Well, Palmer caught the first two, but Jasson Dominguez hit that one beyond his reach and over the left field wall. It's a solo homer for the Martian, his 11th of the year, RBI number 41, and that ties this game at 1 in the visiting half of the fifth.
0 for 2, a ground out and a strikeout tonight. Barclay deals. Breaking ball ripped into the air into left field. Coming in is Dominguez, and he makes the catch towards the alleyway in left center. Though Peroza gave that one a ride, really the first hard hit ball.